Claude Code has completely changed the way people generate leads in 2026. And in this video, I want to give you a simple step-by-step tutorial on how you can use it to find unlimited leads for your business. So now let's get into it. First, you're gonna go to entropic.com and then you're gonna click Claude Codes. You can either launch it from your terminal or you can also click Get Claude Codes and you can have it on your desktop directly. Here you can either use it from the Claude Code tab or you can use it directly in your terminal. You're gonna go in your terminal, type Claude, perfect. If you go in Finders, usually what I do is that my main Claude master folder, and then inside I have different projects. Here what you can do is like create a new folder, and then we're gonna call it Claude Code List Builder. Inside of this file, you're gonna create a claude.md file, and inside of the claude.md file, you're gonna answer all those questions. And so now if I go back in my terminal, what I want to do is actually starting with a ICP definition, go to the Claude Code List Builder project, and then based on the claude.md file, please define my ICP. Perfect. So now you see that Claude Code actually did the work. So I explained what my business was about, and then it defined the target. So now that my ICP is defined, what I want to do is actually build a list out of this. And so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to exa.ai, which is one of the best search API to build lists. So you can sign in, create an account, and then you're going to get API key. What you're going to do is that inside of your project, inside of the list builder, you're going to create a file with your API key. Here, I'm going to make the API key blurry so no one can steal my API key. And then one thing I recommend is that whenever you use API key in a Claude project, always name the file with a dot in the front. It means that no one can actually steal your API key. Once that's done, we're gonna go back into the terminal and then I'm gonna ask Claude Code to actually build a list. Based on my ICP, could you please create a list of 100 companies that you think would be the most relevant for my business? You can find the API key in the project. It's hidden as a file. It's in the file called .env. Now Claude is actually done. Here we can see the breakdown with the industries, how many companies for each industry. The fit, we have 26 companies that score 9 or more out of 10, and then we have the geographies. Now I'm actually gonna ask Claude Codes to find the right contact at those companies. Perfect. Now I would want you to find the most relevant contact person at each of those 100 companies. Just for the sake of the video, only find the right contact person for the first 10 companies. Perfect. So now we have 16 contacts across 10 companies, and then we can also check the final lists inside of the folder. Here, that's the output. And so now I can see I have the name, I have the title, I have the company, I have the company domain, and I have the LinkedIn URL. And so now what I could do is actually use also Claude Code and the right API key to find the right email addresses. And then all of this, I could actually push it directly to an email sequencer to send email to those people. That's it. That is really all you need to start generating leads using Claude Code. However, that's only one of the many use cases. So if you want to see me build an entire cold email campaign using Claude Code, watch this video next. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.